interest is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power N. The exponential value by which the money will increase is time.
हाय एवरीवन, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी। दिस इज चीफ इंजीनियर प्रणीत मेहता, मर्चेंट नेवी डिकोडेड यूट्यूब चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। मेरे साथ हैं चीफ इंजीनियर राजीव कौशिक सर, जो कि फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट ऑफ सी फेयर्स के ऊपर बहुत सारे हज़ारों लोगों की आज की डेट में हेल्प कर रहे हैं। हमारा पहला वीडियो ऑलरेडी बन चुका है, जहाँ पर वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट अ ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन की सर आपकी जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट हुई। इफ़ यू हैव नॉट वॉच दैट वीडियो, प्लीज़ गो बैक एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो फर्स्ट। दिस इज द सेकंड वीडियो ऑफ द सीरीज़, जहाँ पर हम बात करने वाले हैं स्पेसिफिकली कि मर्चेंट नेवी में सी वी हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द नीड फर्स्ट, कि क्यों इसकी ज़रूरत है। तो सर मर्चेंट नेवी के अंदर वाई फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट?
Yeah, actually, the way we also saw, we discussed in the last video, the seafarers are largely a group which is a kind of an underprivileged group. Underprivileged, in our time it was underprivileged in form of information also, and the opportunities never reached us because most of the time the seafarers are working on a contractual basis.
Right, sir.
As a junior officer, they go for 7-8 months and they are down for about 2-3 months, in which they also have to do the exams or modular courses and additional courses for COC, preparing for COC and things like that. And after some time, then they have to get down for the COC exams, which takes about 1 year to 1.5 year of classes and preparation, during which again they have expenses, and again they keep going back till they have to do second class or mates exams and then chief engineers exams and all that. So all these things, as we know, that it takes about 7 to 8 years of a person's life, in which the income stream is very sporadic. Sometimes he's earning, sometimes he's not. Even when he becomes a full-fledged officer, he's having a break. When he's on board, he's getting a lot of money, and when he's not earning, when he's on leave, he's not getting nothing.
And rather he's spending a lot of money.
Spending a lot of money. And there are only few companies, 1 or 2 companies, Maersk Tankers used to be one of them, who used to pay on leave. But actually they were not paying. They were just dividing that salary by 2 and paying you all the time. But that was also a very important thing, because that ensured that these people were getting the same amount throughout the year. And because I have myself worked in that company, I realized that that was a very good way of getting paid, because you could invest around the year. A very important aspect which a seafarer should realize and appreciate is that when we start saving on a daily or weekly or monthly basis and start investing it on a weekly or monthly basis, it actually is a very important mathematical function, and it keeps growing. If you have learned this formula in your school time for compound interest, it said interest is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power N. The exponential value by which the money will increase is time, not principle. Principle has to be there. You cannot make something out of nothing. But it must be understood that one has to learn about financial management right at the basic level. I am very sad that these things are not taught in school or colleges.
Yes,
this
I
is
agree,
the
sir.
one paper which must be taught.
So guys, one thing that I have learned from this video is, sir, we have to be patient.
Yes.
पेशेंट इन द सेंस कि आज इन्वेस्टमेंट करी है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि ओह 6 महीने हो गए हो, निकाल ले फ़ायदा हो गया। यू हैव टू बी पेशेंट। सेकेंड थिंग इज जो सर ने बताया कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, दैट इज कंपाउंडिंग इफेक्ट, जिसको वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन डिटेल। सो नाउ गाइज कमिंग टू द पॉइंट फॉर ऑल दोस पीपल, लाइक आई हैव मेड सर दोज मिस्टेक्स, लाइक वन एज अ 4th इंजीनियर मेरे अकाउंट में इतना पैसा आया, खर्चा होने वाला है, जब 50-60 हज़ार बच गए झाड़ पे चले जाओ। फिर इतना पैसा आया, जब 50-60 हज़ार बच गए झाड़ पे चले जाओ। सी गाइज दिस इज वन ऑफ द, जब सर ने बोला कि इट इज़ पीपल लाइक अस हु आर इन्वेस्टिंग, तो इट वॉज नॉट अस, इट कैन बी सर, इट कैन बी XYZ रैंडम, बट नॉट मी, because I am over here as a listener who is trying to learn, who is trying to see what kind of mistakes that I have made and I should not be making that in future. That is investing at the right time with patience. I am already 10-15 years late, but you guys are not. Stay tuned. Let's learn together. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.